Hello, I'm Jason Spangler, Flooring Division Sales Manager for Wagner Meters, here to show you the Orion 910 Moisture Meter, part of Wagner's Orion line of moisture meters that are setting a new standard in the moisture measurement industry with the most advanced, accurate, and versatile technology available. The first thing you'll notice is the new design that fits in your hand and allows you to maintain a grip on the meter regardless of the position you hold it. Pretty handy for measurements and out-of-the-way places. A rubber boot surrounds the unit to give you a larger grip surface and protect the meter when it's stored and when it travels with you during your toughest jobs. The on-hold button turns the unit on and also holds a reading in case you're measuring in an area where you can't see the display. Your Orion 910 audio button allows you to set a high moisture content alarm threshold and also set the volume for the audible alarm. This is useful, for example, when quickly scanning a piece of wood and trying to locate any higher moisture content areas without having to continually look at the digital display. The species material button is used to program the appropriate setting to measure your specific wood species. It also puts your Orion meter into two more modes, relative measurement mode and meter calibration mode. Relative measurement mode is for when you want to measure non-wood materials such as drywall and engineered flooring. Meter calibration mode is something we'll cover in a minute. Lastly, the up and down button acts as your toggle to increase or decrease values according to the mode you are in. Taking a reading with the Orion 910 Deep Depth Moisture Meter is easy. First, check your species setting booklet and confirm the settings value for the species of wood you will be working with. This is a piece of northern red oak here. The species booklet says the setting value is 0.63. I press the on-hold button to power the meter on. Then I press the species material button and use the up or down button to adjust the setting to 63. Now I'm ready to take a reading. Easy enough. Now let's finish with a short demonstration on how to calibrate the Orion 910 in your home, workshop, office, job site, wherever. By short, I mean, got a minute? Because it's just that small amount of time. Be sure to read through the calibration section of your manual to make sure you're doing everything right. First, I make sure serial numbers match between my calibration reference and my Orion 910 found in the battery compartment. Place the calibration reference on its legs on a flat surface. Turn the meter on, and then use the species material button to put your meter in cal mode. Place the meter on the calibrator, correctly seating the meter sensor pad firmly on the recessed area. This is important because if you place the sensor pad in anywhere else, it will cause an inaccurate calibration. Move it back and forth, side to side, to make sure the pad is firmly seated. Next, press the audio button 3 times. The meter will beep 3 times to tell you it's calibrating. When you see the word lift on the screen, quickly lift the meter into the air for about 5 seconds. During this time, make sure your fingers or other objects are away from the back of the meter. When the word done appears, press the on-hold button to go back to measuring mode. I'm Jason Spangler, Flooring Division Sales Manager for Wagner Meters. Email me at jspangler@wagnermeters.com with your questions, comments, or photos of your best work with your Orion meter. If you don't have one yet, visit wagnermeters.com to purchase the right Orion moisture meter for your application. While you're here, check out these other videos and click subscribe.